Hey, welcome back to TWC Projects. Yes, I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video, and I apologize. A lot of things going on, and the price of fuel right now just for diesel is unbelievable. So I just, none of this stuff is urgent, so I figured I would just kind of wait a little while. But I did have a full tank from the last time that I filled up at kind of the beginning of the Iranian thing. And so I'm going to do some work today, and I've actually already been doing some work, but I just started recording. One of the things, of course, is bringing down some more of the stone now that it's a little bit drier now, and it's not all mud, like as before when I brought this stone down here, it was very muddy, and I ended up just tracking all the mud in here. So this is looking a little better. Still some dirt in it that just got picked up while I was trying to haul this stuff, but yeah, these are pretty big stones, probably a little too big. They're perfect for what I needed to do here, though. They seem to work out well, and they'll work fine down here. I just need this rough bridge to be able to get across here with the equipment, as you know if you've been watching this channel. So yeah, and the grass seed that I planted last time in the last video, so that's coming in. Oh, look at that, a black widow spider right there. I think that is big. Let's see what we got here. It's that big orange thing on the back. Sure looks like a black widow. Yeah, anyway, so this other grass just is coming in, and see how it's getting ready to seed. So I'm going to leave it. I was going to cut it today, and then I saw all the seed coming in on that, and so I'm going to give it a couple weeks to mature and then reseed for me. So you can see it's pretty heavy, and my I think my field tile draining system is definitely helping. It's definitely better. Hard to tell. We haven't had much rain, though, honestly. It's been, we've only had 2 medium rainstorms in the last like 5-6 weeks. So the whole south is dry right now. But this is coming in here. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then, of course, you can see as there is the grass that I planted. Oops, I guess I'm right in the sun. There you go. The grass that I planted is coming in. And so it needs a little more time too before I start running over it with the Bobcat and the tracks. I'll end up ripping it all up. So, but it's looking good. I mean, this is like really, it's like a hayfield down here. So, and up above, it's not quite come in that much there either. So I won't be cutting that. I'll probably about 2 or 3 weeks. I'll come back out and plan on it'll be out of control by then, so we'll get cutting on that. But today, just some odds and end things. One, as I just said, trying to bring down a few more of the stone, which I just did. I think that's probably all I'm going to bring down at this point. There's a little more up there, but I want to get to this other project. So my neighbor's got a bunch of, the blackberry bushes are coming in right now. They're like out of control. So he's got a bunch of area. I'm going to go put the Terminator onto the Bobcat, and we'll go up there and check out, see how much we can get done. Hopefully we can get all of it done today. It's just about noon. I'm getting ready to have some lunch, and then I'll wrap up from there after we've done some trimming up there with that big brush cutter. So that thing's impressive. You've seen it in 2, 3, 4 videos already, but we're going to use it again today and try something a little bit different with it. I won't say different, but in a different location. So let's get to it. Thanks for joining me, and man, yeah, this is good. A beautiful day, perfect temperature too, breeze, sunny. I think it's like almost 70, but there's a dry breeze, so it feels great. Anyway, I appreciate you being here, and let's get back to work. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. I put this thing to use for I don't know how long it's been, 3.5 hours, and we trimmed all through the woods here with that thing, and wow, it's tricky getting around all the trees, but you couldn't do it with a tractor. You got to have the Bobcat where you can pivot in place and you can maneuver. So it turned out pretty well. I don't know how much this is, probably 1.5 acres maybe. Probably 1.5 acres, I think. I don't know exactly. So hopefully I cut enough of it for my buddy Trent. This is his land, which backs up to mine. So yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I think he's gonna be happy with it. You couldn't even get around in here. The raspberry bushes were just so thick you couldn't even walk. So now completely open and cleaned out, and exposing the grass. We'll get some of the sun. Hopefully that'll grow a little bit better, and he can enjoy this quite a bit more. So yeah, I think it turned out great. There's probably a few spots I might have missed. I did my best, and again, I wasn't even sure how much he really wanted me to cut. I just know he said this was the area that he wanted cleaned up, so hopefully he likes it, and I think he will. And this machine, yeah, this thing is a beast. It cuts and cuts and cuts, and there was a lot of down trees in here, and so I chewed up, they've been starting to rot a little bit. I think they've been down about a year. So whatever I could with the machine, I just chewed up a lot of them. So it's getting better and better, and eventually it'll, if I do it a few times for them, then eventually I'll probably have them all chewed up, and it'll just all be grass and ground out here. But yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, what a great view out that way too. So thank you as always for helping me create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outside. It was another productive day, beautiful day, and I definitely am enjoying being outside and feeling a sense of accomplishment. So until next time, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you on the next project.